In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Read More links on summary blocks in Squarespace. If your site shows a Read More or Learn More link on a summary block and you'd like it to say something else, or you want to make sure it goes exactly where you need, follow along. I'll walk you through the editor, show you where that text lives, and help you save your changes with confidence. First, go to your website and sign in so you can make edits. Once you're on your site, enter Edit mode by clicking Edit Site. This switches the page into the Squarespace editor and lets you interact with blocks directly on the canvas. Now, find the summary block that displays your items. On many templates, each item tile shows a small link that says Learn More or Read More. Click directly on that Learn More link in the summary block. This targets the exact part of the block we want to adjust, so you're working in the right place. You'll see the block toolbar. Click Edit. This opens the controls related to the content you're previewing in the summary block. If a particular item in the grid is highlighted, click that highlighted area to focus the item. If you see a second highlight prompt, click it again to drill down to the item's source. This just ensures we're editing the underlying content that the summary block is pulling in. Next, choose Edit Product Details. Your block may be summarizing products, blog posts, or events. The exact label can vary, but the idea is the same. You're going into the original item so you can control how it appears when summarized. In this Details panel, locate the field that controls the link text or the call to action label. This is the highlighted field you'll want to update. Type the wording you prefer. For example, change Learn More to Read the Full Story, View Details, or any short phrase that matches your brand voice. Keep it concise so it looks clean across desktop and mobile. While you're here, double-check the destination. If your item supports a click-through or external link, confirm it points exactly where you want visitors to go. Consistent, descriptive link text helps accessibility and improves clarity for your audience. When you're satisfied, click Save. Give the page a quick refresh in the editor to confirm the summary block now shows your updated link text. If your summary block pulls multiple items, repeat the same update for any others that need a different label, and preview on mobile to make sure the text doesn't wrap awkwardly. That's it. You've successfully changed the Read More link on your Squarespace